Welcome back to Motorsphere, your ultimate destination for everything on two wheels. Today, we are diving into the latest evolution of a fan favorite, the 2025 TVS Apache RTR 200 V4. TVS has taken a bold step forward with the fourth iteration of this street machine, blending aggressive styling, refined performance, and advanced tech in a compact, muscular package. Let's break down what makes this new Apache a potential game-changer in its segment. Design and styling. The 2025 Apache RTR 200 V4 gets a sharper, more aerodynamic design language. With a redesigned LED headlamp setup, sleeker tank extensions, and a new tail section, the bike looks more aggressive than ever. TVS has introduced fresh color schemes and premium graphics, enhancing the bike's Streetfighter persona. The build feels tight, premium, and ready to dominate urban roads. Engine and performance. Powering the V4 is the familiar 197.75 cubic centimeters, oil-cooled, single-cylinder engine, now fine-tuned for better mid-range torque and improved throttle response. It continues to produce around 20.5 PS of power and 17.25 Newton-meters of torque, mated to a 5-speed gearbox. With the updated glide through traffic, GTT, tech and race-tuned fuel injection, RTFI, the bike offers smoother power delivery and better fuel efficiency, perfect for both city and spirited weekend rides. Features and tech. The Apache RTR 200 V4 is now smarter than before. It gets an updated SmartZone X system with turn-by-turn navigation, ride analytics, and voice assist via Bluetooth. The fully digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable. Dual-channel ABS, ride modes, urban, rain, sport, and a slipper clutch come standard, ensuring safety and control in all riding conditions. Ride and handling. TVS has always impressed with the RTR's handling, and the V4 continues that tradition. The bike features a race-tuned KYB suspension setup with preload adjustable front forks and a rear monoshock. The chassis feels nimble, planted, and agile, making twisty roads and traffic alike feel like playgrounds. Braking is sharp and confidence-inspiring, thanks to pedal discs on both ends. Conclusion. The 2025 TVS Apache RTR 200 V4 is a strong upgrade, pushing the limits of what a 200 cubic centimeters street bike can offer. With its balanced performance, premium tech, and race-inspired DNA, it stays true to the Apache legacy while feeling more evolved than ever. Stay tuned to Motorsphere for more updates, reviews, and all things motorcycling. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.